What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in front of us we've got a slightly different product, a slightly different device from what we've been covering, and this is the Amplify true wireless earphones. These are budget earphones, but if you clicked on this video, I guess you're in the market for earphones, or you're generally just interested to find out how these earphones are and what their quality is. So let's get right into it guys, let's get unboxing. So right off the bat, we've just got a few tabs that we need to get off here, and then right at the back, bit of a messy unboxing, but there we go guys, there is the device. We're gonna put the box aside. If you're interested to know what that looks like, this is what the box looks like, but we're definitely gonna put this on the side, and we've got the earphones themselves. So this is what's going to greet you as soon as you pull this plastic, I don't know what to call it, container or whatever, with the earbuds. So you've got the earphones themselves, you've got the case, and right here at the bottom you've got an instruction manual right here with the USB cable inside. So we're going to put this to the side. There's not much you can expect. Also, this being a budget device, you won't expect much in the packaging, but this is what it looks like. This is what we've got in front of us, the earphones and the charging case. So we're going to pull that out. Oh, really tightly secured there. This is the case guys. USB charging C, right, USB Type C rather, at the bottom there for your charging. This cable also USB Type C for your charging needs. So that's the case. Looks like it's got some juice as well. Okay, that's magnetic right there. Okay, so first impressions, I think the case is very decent. So you just have to pull it down and the magnets do the rest of the work, which is really satisfying to have a case, a magnetic case, at this price point. And I guess these two are the stars of the show. Okay, we've got this is the left earbud right there. We're gonna put it to the side, and we've got the right earbud there. We're gonna put this to the side as well, we don't need that. But yeah guys, this is the lineup. This is what we get in the box, and first impressions guys, these are really good. I think, well, they look okay to me. They look decent enough for the price. You're getting a nice set of earphones. You've got a magnetic case here. Pop that one in, close, and I think they're charging now. So yeah guys, this is the unboxing. I'm going to test these out for about a week, and then I'll come back with the review and let you guys know how good these earphones are, give you my opinion on them, and generally just give you the verdict on what I think, whether I recommend them or not. So wait for that, look out for that review guys. Keep logged in. Welcome back guys, and it's already been a week. I've had a chance to spend a week with these earphones, and yeah, so I'm gonna take you through my review of the earphones. So let's start off with the design guys. So let's start off with the case. This is a black case. In my opinion, this color is a piano black. The Amplify don't specify what kind of black this is, but this is just black, and in my opinion it's a piano black, and it's a nice color until you start to see the scratches and the fingerprints. So that's my only gripe with this case, is that it's going to start showing scratches. So as you can see there are a lot of scratches, and this is just from 1 week of use. So you pull it out of your pocket, you put it back in your pocket, you throw it in your bag with your keys, it's going to develop these little micro scratches, and this case is not going to look very nice after that. And this is only after a week of use. But besides that, the case is nice and compact. It fits nice into your pocket. You don't even feel that the case is there most of the time until you maybe want to pull it out and grab your earphones. So the case is really nice. I think it's got a nice shape, nice weight to it. And yeah, you've got your USB Type-C charging at the bottom there. Unfortunately, no wireless charging. I think that would be asking a little too much at this price point, which we'll talk about at the end of the video. You know, magnetic case, very satisfying when opening and closing. It's got that resistance when you open it, and when you close, it's got that satisfying click to it because of those magnets. All right, the earbuds themselves also same color as the case, really nice. They've got little LEDs inside there, if you can see it, which are barely noticeable. Once you pair them to your phone, you won't notice those LEDs. They just switch off. So yeah, this is the earphone. It's got a touch sensitive part there of the earphone, which is really nice. Also at this price point, really nice. There's more functionality to them there. We'll talk about that later in the video, but this is the earphone with the little charging pin there on the earphone, but very nice and compact. They fit into your ear nicely. You barely feel that they're there. You listen to your music, they're light, they don't disturb anything, and you know, you could listen to your music, listen to your podcast, watch videos, and they do the job. They get the job done. And surprisingly, these are IPX4 rated, guys, so they're water resistant. They can handle splashes and light rain. I wouldn't really want to test that out, especially at this price point, but this is what Amplify say. This is IPX4 rated, which is really nice. I think it's a nice little touch. Gives you a little sense of security there with the earphones. You know, you can work out with them. I never tried to work out with them, but they can handle that as well. Little sweat, little splash, light rain, because of that IPX4 rating. So guys, let's move on to the sound of these earbuds. So they've been great. They have actually surprised me over my usage. So these earphones have a 13mm driver, and I don't know how to emphasize this properly, guys, but the sound here is really good, really surprisingly good. The sound is well balanced from the lows, which is your bass, to your highs. Even the mids, you can hear almost anything. I've listened to some classical music to this, to some orchestra music on this. You can hear almost every instrument when it with these earphones, and they just give you a nice sound. Now at this price point, guys, this is, I think for me, really surprising and really, really good. Now let's talk about the battery. Let's start off with the earphones. So they have a 25 milliamp hour battery in each earphone. So each earphone has a 25 milliamp hour battery, which has a 2-hour charge time and gives you 3 hours of playback, which is enough. I think I'm mostly in the office, so I'm not listening to music mostly. I'm listening to music on my commute to and from work, and 3 hours is enough for that, given that they'll be fully charged and they're adequate enough. The case itself has a 180 milliamp hour battery, which also requires 2 hours of charge and will give you up to 3 recharges for the earbuds. Now let's talk about some extra features that these earphones have. So these little guys are compatible with Siri and Google Assistant, so you can use your trigger words. You know what those are. I'm gonna put them on the screen so that we don't trigger your assistants. But yeah, they're capable of doing that. They're compatible with the assistants. And let's talk about the touch sensitive part that I was referring to earlier on. So this offers you some control capabilities. So the first one is the play pause, which is a simple gesture, which is you tap on the touch panel, and it plays or pauses the music, and you know, it's a nice little feature. You don't have to take out your phone, you don't have to touch anything. If you're connected to your laptop, you don't have to go back to the music player just to pause your music. You can do it from right there. You can also skip tracks, which is a triple tap on the left earbud. So they are very specific on which one to press. So to go next to the next song or to skip a song, it's a triple tap on the left earbud, and to go on the previous track, it's a triple tap on the right earphone. For your volume controls, you've got a double tap on the left earphone again to increase the volume, and a double tap on the right earphone to lower your volume. To take calls, it's a single tap to answer your call. To reject a call, you tap and hold, that is to reject a call. And to end a call, it's a single tap on either of the earphones. So basically that's it, guys, for these earphones. I think one thing I really forgot to mention is how do they stay in your ears. So from my experience, if you're walking, if you're doing light movement, they fit nicely, they stay in your ear, they're not going to fall off. Once you start doing something a little bit more vigorous, like running or jogging, they start to slip off and eventually they fall out of your ears. But guys, that's mostly about these earphones. They're nice earphones, they're really good, sound surprisingly good. And would I recommend this to someone? So this is where the price comes in. So I bought these for 149. They were on promotion from Discam here in South Africa, 149 rands. The original price is 199, which is about 200 rand. I will put the price in US dollars for all those international viewers. I'm not sure which other countries or regions these are sold in, but I'll definitely give you pricing there in US dollars for all the international viewers. But yeah, these are really good. I would recommend them for anyone looking for earphones on a budget. They give you nice audio quality. There's no noise cancelling, unfortunately, here. So, but they do have this little wire mesh section here. Oh, yeah, they've got this wire mesh section here, which you can't really see because of the black color. But yeah, I think that kind of lets in some sound from your environment, which is still really good. I think I prefer that. This is why I actually looked for a design like this, not the ones with the ear tips, because those ones also just block out sound because of the nature of those ear tips, the silicone or rubber ear tips. I prefer this design because it really doesn't block out all that sound from the environment. But generally, guys, these are good earbuds, earphones. I would recommend them to anyone who's on a budget, who's just looking for something to listen to some music, take some calls, join some meetings. They're really nice, inconspicuous, you know. No one will really notice that you're wearing them, and you can take your meeting in the office. They're nice. I like the black color, but not on the case. So do take that into account when you shop for these. The case is going to show scratches, especially the black color. So that's my review of these Amplify earbuds, true wireless earbuds. And hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these earphones. Are you gonna grab a pair? You know, if you think they're not good enough, let me know down in the comment section. And don't forget to leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.